Cetaphil Intensive Healing Lotion with Ceramides, specifically developed to hydrate and smooth rough, dry, flaky skin. Enhanced nourishment, ceramides and amino acids hydrate and restore the skin natural moisture barrier, while sunflower seed oil and allantoin nourish and soothe. 24-hour hydration, hydrates for a full 24 hours and should be used as a daily therapy to heal rough, dry, flaky skin. Ideal for daily use, non-greasy, non-comedogenic formula will not irritate skin or clog pores. Fragrance-free, paraben-free and gluten-free. Designed for sensitive skin, all Cetaphil products are effective yet non-irritating. When you need to heal rough, dry, flaky skin, Cetaphil Intensive Healing Lotion is here to help. Specially formulated with ceramides, sunflower seed oil, amino acids and allantoin, this intense skin solution nourishes and hydrates the roughest, flaky skin for a full 24 hours. Ceramides help to restore skin's natural moisture barrier and retain moisture, while sunflower seed oil with fatty omega acids soften rough skin. Amino acids and allantoin work together to draw moisture in and soothe and nourish dry, flaky skin. Designed with sensitive skin in mind, this non-irritating lotion is dermatologist tested and is free of fragrances and parabens. Additionally, Intensive Healing Lotion is non-greasy and non-comedogenic, so it will not clog pores. For best results, use daily to heal dry, rough skin. Top reviews from the United States. Be careful not to duplicate when ordering. We love the product Cetaphil Intensive Healing Lotion. The headline explains what happened in our house, therefore I would like to return the box of 2 lotions. Please provide instructions as how I do this. Thank you.